how to make sure that your Google Analytics is working for your e-commerce site. First of all, we will go through some steps. The first one is to check the GA Tag Assistant. Then we will verify on the real-time reports. And for the e-commerce sites, you want to make sure you have the e-commerce reporting enabled and also the enhanced e-commerce enabled. So first, we will go to check the GA Tag Assistant, and for that, I will go to one of our clients' sites. This is Gigi. They sell cooking supplies, and for that, I installed this Chrome extension. It's the Google Tag Assistant, and what it will tell is which tags are installed in this single page. So for that, I will go to Enable, and then refresh the page, and you can see that the Tag Assistant is telling that we have two tags installed on this page. One is Google Analytics and the other one is Google Tag Manager. So we can be sure now that the Google Analytics is on this page, okay? We will see later why this is showing in a yellow tag. This indicates that there is some issue, but for now we can be sure that it's in this page. We can also navigate through the site to make sure it is installed in all pages, okay? And what we will do next is verify the real-time reports on Analytics. So here I am at the Google Analytics of this same client, and I will go to the real-time reports, and on the content here what I will see is all the pages that the users are visiting right now, okay? So if I want to make sure that this is tracking correctly, I can just go to a page on the menu. Let's go to this, and this should appear right here, you know. So this is me, that I just clicked on this link, and I'm seeing myself in the real-time report. So this is good because we are tracking correctly. Let's move on now to enable the e-commerce tracking. So what is the e-commerce tracking? The e-commerce tracking will let us view a new bunch of reports that are the ones that are shown under conversions and on the e-commerce section. It will enable all these reports that have very valuable insights. And to enable this, on the analytics account, I will go to the admin section here. And then on the view settings, on the view part, I will go to the e-commerce settings. And here I will check that I have the enable e-commerce is on, okay? Once this is on, all that reports here will be enabled, okay? And now I'm going to show what happens when we enable the enhanced e-commerce reporting. When we enable the enhanced e-commerce reporting, these e-commerce sections will include new reports that shows more like how your customers are purchasing. We will have the shopping behavior, the checkout behavior, and also the product list performance. But for this to be enabled, you have to do one further step. I'm going to speak now about the checkout behavior because it's the more insightful. Also, it shows this kind of dashboard of graph that also shows all the steps on your checkout funnel and how many drop-off are in each step. There is a more visual kind of information. In order to set this up, once you enabled the enhanced e-commerce reporting, you will have to set all the steps on your funnel. Okay, so by default, this is not going to show any of these steps. So you have to type them manually, and make sure with your developer that all the steps on the funnel are being correctly tracked on the website code. Okay, so have a talk with them and make sure that you are tracking this correctly for you to see in the reports.